Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Designs. I'm coming back today. I have another unboxing for Beebeecraft. I'm going to unbag all this and I'll be right back. Actually, I'm going to start with this one. This is an entire bag. Looks like there might be 12 of them that are these faceted hearts. I can't even show you one. They're really pretty. They make great pocket hugs that everybody's doing right now. I've done a few myself. Really, really shiny surface. They're so pretty. So I got a dozen of those. Sometimes when you are trying to fill out one of these orders, you have a maximum amount that you can select from. So when you're trying to fit everything in, that's why this wound up in there. I want to do a tutorial with the chameleon powders. And the facets will make the chameleon powders really stand out really well. So that explains that one. Look for an upcoming video for that. Alright, now this one I did unbag. Oh. Sometimes when you know you have to do a video and then something happens to annoy you at a time. Let's just say a little break might have been in order, but a bag of pipettes, finger cots, and these tiny little spoons, scoops like for mica powder. Those, I don't have any of those. Those would be nice. Okay, this is a set of 3, I wouldn't really call them coasters, dishes. Resin dishes, that's what I'll call them. This one is a octagon. This should be so cool. Lots of ideas for that one. This one is the dish like I already have somewhere in here. So to have 2 of these is fantastic. You have no idea. I can pour 2 at one time. I know it sounds stupid, but... And then this mid-century kind of inspired one. Oh, I love this one. Oh, this is going to be so fun. I have so many ideas, like I said. Pour this, and then some of those resin crystal molds. Do a little corner. Oh, that would be so cute. Okay, that is number 2. Number 3. I'm gonna unbag it. Another set of the pipettes and finger cots. These are great. A little collection of the metal leaf, gold, copper, silver, and variegated. Again, those will be useful. And then again, I'm sorry I didn't unbag them, so to speak. I'll try not to crunch too much, but I don't want them to get dusty. Okay, there's this maple leaf. Again, a lot of ideas. Okay. Then this small monstera leaf. This, I believe it's also called a Swiss cheese leaf. I love the veining. That'll be awesome. Okay, that's the small one. And then the large one. That's so cool. Like I said, I love that veining. That's awesome. So I'll do one of those. And then this one is that kind of leaf. Again, really pretty. I could see a fall leaf set with that one and the maple leaves. That'd be so cute. Ooh. Like I said, ideas. Pour a little bit of resin in this. Okay, listen to me for a second. Okay, let's say we'll pour a little clear in this, just for an example. Okay, pour a little clear. Not fill it up, but just maybe halfway. Okay, let it cure. Demold it. Then take little clear resin leaf, do it like you would an insert, but it's clear resin, put it in, pour a color, whatever. Okay, maybe do it this way instead. Do this a color, let's say a red, demold it, put it in the coaster, and then pour a yellow, an orange, just something like that. Oh, it'd be so pretty. When you turned it out, it'd be so fall colory. I don't take very good care of my molds, do I? Alright. Thank you so much to Beebeecraft. I'll leave links to everything below. Maybe a coupon code. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye for now.